Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to create custom fields for taxonomies in WordPress using CubeWP. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Adding custom field using CubeWP to get started, log into your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to CubeWP and find the custom field section. Next, click on Taxonomies to manage the taxonomies where you want to add custom fields. Add new custom field. To create a new custom field, click on Add New. A new window will open up where you can define the settings for your custom field. Field Settings Explanation. Title of field. This is where you name your custom field like author name or product category. Slug of Field. An internal identifier generated automatically by CubeWP. Field. Type. Choose from different types like text input, dropdown, image, color, URL, gallery, oEmbed, or Google address. Description. Optionally, provide a brief description to explain the purpose of this field. Choose the taxonomy where you want this custom field to appear from the right side options. Lastly, click on Save Field to save your settings and apply the custom field to your taxonomy. And there you have it. Please see the custom field where you can use this. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out our written guide for more details. Thank you for watching.